Hey guys, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little get ready with me slash makeup routine. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this makeup. I went off camera to do my hair, so you won't be getting a tutorial on the hair, but you're gonna see how I did this makeup. We did some chit-chatting, a little update, and you know, just had a good fun little hangout time. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my face, and check out all my socials down below, including my Goodreads and my Amazon book wish list. And let's get into today's video. I really thought I could do this without putting music in, and I was wrong. There's just no way I can like sit here and talk and not have music playing. Obviously, we are listening to Ariana Grande's new album because absolutely freaking iconic. What can I say? I'm going to be starting with my Panoxyl AM Oil Control Moisturizer. This has SPF 30, I believe, and it honestly has changed my skin. Ever since I started using it, it helps control my oil so much. On days that I have work, I don't wear makeup, but I always put this moisturizer on, and it keeps all of my oils at bay for the entire day, and it's literally absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed with it. So I think I'm gonna try a new product today. I don't really usually use like a skin tint or like foundation or anything, but we're just gonna try it today. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I have the shade 110. Like I said, I've never used this. I've had it for like a couple of weeks, but I haven't picked it up yet. I've heard it's really good, so we're just gonna do a little bit. My all-time favorite skin tint is the Fenty Ease Drops. Literally so good. Highly freaking recommend. So I don't have too much craziness to update you guys on. I am running out of video ideas for like sit down videos, and obviously like reading vlogs and stuff, those are really hard to keep up with. Like I only have so much time to read, so those take a little bit longer to film and organize and everything. But I used to post makeup videos on this channel, if you guys didn't know, and so I felt like we could just go back to my roots, do a little get ready with me, show you guys my typical makeup routine for days that I actually do wear makeup, because I definitely don't wear makeup every single day. I just do, like I said, moisturizer with my lash extensions, and that's it, because I work 5 days a week at a coffee shop. I am the manager now. I just got promoted, and so there's like literally no point in me putting makeup on when I have to be up at 4:30 in the morning. I don't think I have enough on my cheeks, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. I want to know what books you guys are absolutely loving right now. I have been loving reading Throne of Glass and the Magnolia Parks and Boys of Tommen series. I'm literally so beyond excited for when Taming 7 comes out. Like, I genuinely don't think you guys understand. I kind of think I want to do a video reading new releases in April. Let me know if that sounds good to you guys, because I want to read Taming 7, and then I want to read the 5th Magnolia Parks book, and Powerful by Lauren Roberts also comes out at the end of April. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in me doing. I really want to, because those are all books I've been really excited about dropping. So let me know what you guys think down below. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have the shade Fair Warm, and since I put skin tint on, I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. Typically I just use my concealer as like all my coverage, so I put it under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, on any breakouts or discoloration, but since we went in with that skin tint, it's unnecessary to put extra product on. What do you guys think of the new Ariana Grande album? Because personally, I'm loving it. I have a couple top favorites. I need to give like the whole album a listen again, but I'm really enjoying it. And then I've also been slightly getting into 5 Seconds of Summer. I've never really been a huge Five Sauce girl, but there's been a few songs recently that I've really been liking, so I kind of need to go through and like listen to their discography one day when I'm like reading or something. Alright, then I'm going to go in and set my under eyes in the places that I get the most oily with my Huda Beauty setting powder. This is in Pound Cake. I'm actually almost out of this stuff, but I love it. It's so good. And then I use the Beauty Blender, like Powder Puff. I think it works so well, and I don't really like to have to mix my Beauty Blender, like my normal one, with powder products like I feel like everyone did a couple of years ago. So I just kind of push everything in with my Beauty Blender. I am getting so nervous yet excited for TTPD. If you don't know what that is, it's the Tortured Poets Department. It's gonna be Taylor Swift's, is it her 11th recorded out studio album? I think the 11th, and it comes out literally on April 19th, and Taming 7 comes out just days before that, so that is going to be a very rough emotional week for me. But I am so excited yet so anxious about it. We haven't gotten a new album since Midnight, and my level of Swiftiness has gone up drastically since she released Midnight. I've always been a Swiftie my entire life. I've always loved her so much. I literally went and saw her in concert when she did the Speak Now tour. Like, isn't that absolutely crazy? I was literally like 5 or 6 years old, and I went and saw Taylor Swift perform the Speak Now album, which is so crazy for me to think about, because like that was so long ago, and like it's just crazy. But then when she re-released Fearless, Taylor's version, is when like my full-blown attachment and obsession really came back into play. Obviously I loved her when she did like the Red album and everything, but then for like Reputation and Lover and stuff, I fell off a little bit. I still would listen to her, but like not the obsession level that we're at right now. So I've been like super full-blown attached for the last like 4 years or so. Always loved her, like I said, but I've only gotten to experience a new Taylor album other than the like re-recordings one time since I got back into her music. So I am very excited about this experience, and it will be my bestie Alexia's first time as a Swiftie getting to experience a brand full new album, because she just started listening to Taylor about a year ago, and we are going to the Eras Tour Indie Night 3 in November, literally like 2 weeks before my 21st birthday. I am so beyond excited. I cannot wait. I actually have so many really fun and exciting concerts to go to this year. By the way, I just went in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood contour wand. But I have a lot of really good concerts lined up. I see Jessie Murph in like 2 weeks. I saw her in October, but I'm going again to see her in April. And then after that, I'm seeing Tate McRae in June. And then in July, this is probably one that I'm like one of the most excited about. I'm seeing Niall Horan in July. Cannot freaking wait. I'm so excited to experience that. I have highly debated getting tickets to see him twice. And then obviously I see Taylor in November. So we have a very big gap of no concerts between July and November. But I have some fun trips planned for this year. I have a trip planned for Chicago in May, and that is like a for sure happening. We have the hotel booked and everything. And then I have another trip that I am trying to figure out how to plan for later this year that I'm very excited about. So my current blush favorites are 2 by e.l.f. and I mix them together. So this is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, and it is the shade Suave Mauve. So I put a little bit of this on. You literally do not need a lot. This is like a dupe for the Rare Beauty blushes. So you just do a few little dots, and I do a tiny bit on my nose, and then I go in with my damp beauty blender and I blend everything out. I don't know why I always automatically just blend out my nose first. I'm not really sure why I do that, but apparently I do, because every single time I do my makeup I automatically go to my nose first. then we're gonna go in and we're gonna really bounce out the blush on our cheeks. I'm obsessed with this color. It's not too pinky, but it's not too like mauvey berry either. It's like the absolute perfect color, and I am such a blush girly. I literally cannot help it. I don't know where it stemmed from, but I love blush. I feel like it really brings everything together so well. So then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush in the shade Rose You Slay. And I literally just use the tiniest bit, and I just kind of go right over top where I just blended the other blush. This literally just adds a sheen. This doesn't have a whole lot of pigment to it. It just adds a glow to the face, and I like to have a little bit of glow on my cheeks. Tate McRae's song Run for the Hills. Everything, by the way. If you haven't listened to it, highly freaking recommend. It's so good. So now I'm going to go in with my Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder. I have the shade 1N Natural. So I just go over everything that I just applied and just powder my face a little bit because, like I stated 10 times, I'm an oily girl. So we have to, you know, really set everything in so we don't get all oily throughout the day. It takes away some of that sheen on the cheek, but it does like end up peeking back through in just like an hour or two with my skin. And also, once I show you guys what setting spray I use, you're gonna be absolutely flabbergasted at how good it is. Jesse Murph's new song, literally so good, so fucking good. For highlighter, we are going with my Rem Beauty in the shade Miss Mercury. I love this so much. I really want to try her new skin tint, and I really want to try Fenty's new hydrating concealer, but I'm only buying drugstore makeup right now because your girl is trying to save, and I've been making other purchases. So I only apply this on the tip of my nose and in the inner corner of my eyes just to kind of brighten everything a little bit. So my setting spray is the NYX Bear With Me. This is so good. I think this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury because that was my go-to for like a year straight. So expensive, runs out so fast. So I ended up picking this up one day while I was at the store, and I love it. Alright, and then the final step is my NYX brow glue. So I just run this through my brows super gently. This is a brand new thing that I've been doing. I used to love this product, and then I stopped putting anything in my brows, but recently I got back into just lightly brushing a little bit of gel in them. Okay, I am going to go finish my hair off camera, and then I will be back with you guys. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I finished my hair off camera. Just went with a little pony, curled my bangs, put a few curls in the ponytail. Nothing crazy. I am doing a few things with my family today, so I didn't feel like putting too much time and effort into it. Just kind of something to get out of my way. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's little get ready with me. I love just sitting down and chit-chatting with you guys. I also enjoy talking about makeup from time to time. That is my roots for this channel, so I do enjoy getting to do that with you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have anything you want to talk about, let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below, including my Goodreads and my Amazon book wish list. And I will see you besties in my next video. I love you to the moon and Saturn. Bye!